Smart home security isn't just the future, it's already here. From remote access to biometric authentication, modern entry systems now combine IoT with personal identity to keep your home and office safe. But how exactly does an IoT-based biometric door lock work behind the scenes? And what does it take to build one? In this video, we'll walk you through how to design a complete biometric door lock wiring diagram using Wondershare EdrawMax. You'll learn not only how the components interact, but how to visualize and document the entire process from sensor to solenoid lock. First, open EdrawMax on your computer or launch the online version. After signing in with your preferred account, Google, Facebook, or Apple, you'll get full access to the smart drawing features and symbol libraries designed for electrical and electronic diagrams. From the main dashboard, click New and select Electronics Diagram. This workspace provides a clean layout for working with IoT components and smart circuit designs. Begin by adding a microcontroller unit to the canvas. Choose from Arduino, ESP8266, or ESP32, depending on your design preference. This MCU will serve as the brain of your door lock system, handling biometric data and communicating with your network. Next, insert a fingerprint sensor module. Position it near your MCU and connect it via the appropriate pins, usually TX and RX for serial communication. This module scans fingerprints and sends the data to the microcontroller for identity verification. Now it's time to add a relay module. Place it between the MCU and the locking mechanism. This relay will safely isolate the low-voltage signals from the microcontroller while triggering a higher voltage lock system. It acts as the electrical gatekeeper. Then, add the actual electronic lock, a solenoid lock or magnetic door lock symbol. Connect this to the relay's output and to a suitable power supply, typically 12V DC. This lock will only engage when the system approves the fingerprint scan. To emphasize the IoT aspect, add cloud and smartphone icons to your diagram. If you're using a Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller like the ESP8266, these elements represent remote control via a mobile app or web dashboard. Key features of any modern smart lock. Wire up all the components using EdrawMax's connector tool. Draw lines from the fingerprint module to the microcontroller, then from the MCU to the relay, and finally from the relay to the door lock. Make sure to also connect power sources and create a shared ground line to ensure electrical stability. Label every component with the text tool. Clearly identify your microcontroller, sensor, relay, power supply, and control lines. This makes the diagram easier to understand and troubleshoot, especially if it's shared with a team or added to the project documentation. To finalize the design, use consistent styling. Red lines for power, black for ground, and blue for signal paths. Once your layout is clean and complete, go to File, Scene and Export, and choose your preferred format: PNG for presentations, PDF for documentation, or SVG for future edits. This type of smart lock system can be installed in real-world projects ranging from home automation to industrial control. By creating a digital wiring diagram in EdrawMax, you ensure your design is both visually clear and functionally accurate. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your thoughts today with EdrawMax.